welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing a day in the life as a teacher, and of course today was our field trip day to the zoo. And if you follow me on Instagram, you got to see most of the things that we were doing at the zoo. But I decided I would do just a mini video of just, you know, some of the things that you can see at the Birmingham Zoo. So I always get questions on what grade do I teach, and I teach at a public school, but it's the pre-K program. So yes, I have 4- and 5-year-olds. So I'm just gonna let this video play out and put on some nice music, and I hope you enjoy this video.
Down your morning guns, would you follow me
utilize those out in the wild to find fish in darker murky water. So they're not able to see very well. They can use those whiskers to kind of face the fish around them, snatch it up, and bobble it down cold. So they're extremely useful. Now here we kind of utilize that to teach them that ball balance behavior. So those whiskers are actually telling her head and neck where to go. So make sure that ball is nice and balanced on the tip top of her nose. So they are pretty impressive and pretty useful, especially when they are out in the wild.
I find it hard
Now, so
to
like an extremely great training demonstration here on just how do we train our animals. So we utilize something here at the zoo called positive reinforcement. And simply what that means is that we reward good and correct behavior. So if Gio does something we like, we're going to give her something that she likes. So a lot of the times it's that restaurant quality fish.
So the days became weeks, it felt just like the night before.
Or give her toy or some sugarless and flavoring.
You were slowly fading in my mind. When you left I was so completely gone, but now I'm sure you were some of the best of things to find. Would you follow me to wonders if you're everything that matters to me? Makes
chatting. And also like this video if you really enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye!